In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads Manager account to effectively manage client accounts. Whether you're an agency managing multiple clients or a freelancer looking to streamline your workflow, setting up a Google Ads Manager account is the first step you need to take. First, head over to the Google Ads Manager Accounts page. This is your starting point for consolidating all client accounts under one manageable umbrella. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the button labeled Go Manager Account and click on it. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the account that you plan to associate with your ads management activities. Now it's time to enter some basic details to set up your manager account. Go ahead and input your new account name along with your preferred time zone and currency. It's crucial to select the correct time zone and currency, as this can affect how reports are generated and billed, so double check to ensure you've made the right selection. After filling out this information, simply click on Submit and then on Explore to proceed to the next page. Once you land on your manager dashboard, you'll find several options, but for now, focus on the Accounts tab. Click there and then select the plus sign, which often represents adding something new, followed by link existing account. This is how you connect client accounts that have already been set up. At this point, it's time to gather some specifics from your client. You'll need their Google Ads customer ID. Don't worry if they aren't sure where to find this. They can easily locate it in their own account dashboard. Once you have it, enter the ID into the prompt in your manager account dashboard. After you've entered their customer ID, send the request for linking. This step requires a bit of teamwork, as your client will need to approve the request from their end. The approval process is straightforward on their side. As soon as they accept, you'll gain management access to their account. Finally, once your client approves your request, you'll see their account appear in your manager dashboard. You'll now have the power to oversee all their campaigns, manage settings, analyze performance, and handle billing, all from one streamlined interface. Being organized in this way not only saves time, but also helps you provide a better service for your clients, allowing you to work more efficiently and effectively. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up your Google Ads Manager account and are ready to manage all your client accounts with ease. Don't forget to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools and options available to you. Happy managing!